Hey there, it's your girl Tanda, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining in, welcome, and then I would like you to hit the subscribe button. So today we're going to be talking plantain porridge. Let's see what's cooking. I have already boiled beef, plantains. You could use ripe or unripe depending on your preferences. I pour them directly into the beef and the stock, and I fill it up with water up to the same level with the plantains. After doing this, in the same pot, I am going to add some smoked fish and also some cow skin. After doing this, I am going to add some seasoning, salt and chicken stock that we generally know as maggi. I blend in some peppers and then I add it into the mixture. I mix this together, I stir it very thoroughly. After doing this, I cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes on low heat. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to add 2 spoons of palm oil or red oil into this cooked sexy looking plantains. I used 10 piece of plantains for this recipe. Look at how it looks. Oh my god. After stirring together, I put in some pumpkin leaves or ugwu leaves as the case may be. So I put this in to add more color, more vegetables, more vitamins, more just to make it more attractive and then make it more nutritious. I stirred this together and then I also put in some nicely freshly chopped onions into it and cover it for about 2 more minutes so it can simmer together. So here's what it looks like after covering for some minutes. I'm very sure you're going to love this recipe. I would like you to also try your own. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Happy viewing. Thank you.